Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. My name is Ruslan and I will show you how to upgrade the Pirate Bay wharf constructor asset to universal render pipeline. For this tutorial I have created new project using Unity 2019.4.0 F1. You can use this version or any newer version of Unity. First, import asset pack to your project. Then, if you don't have it already, download the URP Universal Render Pipeline from the package manager and upgrade package from asset pack. There are settings and shaders that you will need later. Open project settings and in the graphics tab select render pipeline asset. All materials in your scene appears to be pink. It's okay. You need to upgrade them in order to work. Go to edit, render pipeline, universal render pipeline, upgrade project materials to URP materials. Some of materials are using custom shaders, just change them to standard and upgrade materials again. On the hierarchy, you will find PPV objects, it's post-processing volumes. Disable post-processing stack 2 component and add volume component to them. Select the global and local volumes in the volume slot. All the volumes must be on the same layer to camera to work with. So create the PPV layer and make sure that all the volumes are on that layer. Then adjust the camera as well. Inside the URP folder, there are two materials that you can use in your project. They are simple shader graph materials of water and palm leaves. For objects inside water, like this boat, we create a simple mask material. In order to work properly, its render queue has to be smaller value than the render queue of the material it's masking. You can use water from Unity Boat Attack project. The project is on GitHub, and just by scrolling down you can find the download link. It works with Unity 2019. Just import this package into your project and add C visual prefab to your scene. It has some settings, so you can tweak it as you like. That's all. Thanks for watching.